All right, guys. All right, guys. Check it out. We're going to talk about some rope flow today. All right, so first thing I want to go over with regards to rope flow is the rope. So, you can make your own rope. I got this right over at Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever. You can grab your local hardware store, whatever they have, and make it your own rope. You're going to cut the ends. You either tape them or burn the ends with a lighter or something like that and wax the tips over, so to speak. Okay. And so, yeah, you can just see this was made at home basically. It's had some wear and tear, but it's worked fine to help me definitely start to develop the skills, right? And you can add some knots to give it some weight or some length. There are ropes you can order. So you're definitely going to want to get something that's denser, heavier. It's going to cut through the air well. It's going to have, the most rotational kind of smoothness. Those are the types of ropes. Like the marine rope is the other one that I really like. But I do use some that are more like a braided rope, like I have here as like a shorter rope. Okay, so anyway, we'll do more talking on like that side, but I wanted to also just show people how it can be something you can get into relatively for just like a couple dollars. You don't even need a gym. You don't need to buy some fancy expensive piece of equipment. You can literally make it yourself, and you can start, you even start with something simpler, a towel, so to speak. But basically the idea is you're practicing the movement. You're getting the movement more ingrained into your nervous system. And if you're someone who's had shoulder pain, rotator cuffs injuries, learning to unlock this flow will help you bulletproof those shoulders and keep those shoulders healthier throughout your life. You can practice to start with the basic race and chase position. One hand's on top, one hand's on the bottom, and you're kind of doing this sideways figure eight motion, all right? So you can start to relax the hands even more and focus on shifting the shoulders and the hips, okay? And you're starting to get the weight shift through the body, okay? Just like that. And the rope is now just an extension. The rope becomes an extension of our proprioception, of our body weight. There's two ways to look at it. The more you use your arms and your hands, okay, you're going to develop that dexterity, that external proprioception in your hands and your outer limbs, right? You're focusing on your feet, on grounding. And then you're also, on the flip side, paying more attention to your core, paying more attention to the rotation that you're going to begin feeling all the way deep in that core, deep in the center, okay? So you're going to use the transverse, the obliques, all those muscles. So, okay, a couple more great things that I like about it as a tool to add to your workouts. Okay, similar to walking, it's very low impact, and you're going to get added cardio. You're going to get circulation. You're moving the arms. Okay, so similar to Tai Chi, it's controlled. You're also adding that blood flow and that circulation into your day-to-day routine, and you're kind of slowing down the nervous system in this way. It allows your body to look deeper into those movement patterns, and really naturally will start to reconfigure to the point where your nervous system, once it does it a few times, 5, 10, 15 times, once you start to get things like the dragon roll, okay, those movements, you're just going to naturally start to have that ingrained in your nervous system. So the next times that you go to do it, it's going to be easier and easier and easier, and you can build from that platform. Yeah.